Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I will be showing you how to connect your Bitget wallet with the Tomarket. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go and tap on the wallet option on the bottom right corner. So if you already have installed the Bitget wallet in your mobile application, which I have done, you can simply go to the second option. And if you haven't installed the Bitget application, you can always install it by just clicking on this button, and it will guide you how to download it through the Google Play Store. It's very simple steps. So once you have installed it and you created the wallet, all you have to do is to connect it with your Tomarket application. So just go and tap on connect option, and here you will see that it will redirect you to the Bitget application. All you have to do is to select Bitget in the open with application and wait for a few minutes or maybe seconds depending upon your mobile application speed. So wait till the application totally boots up. Once it will do, it will show you a page like this one where you can connect your wallet, and all you have to do is to give access to your information on the network, ask for your permission to make transactions, and your private key will not be shared as a result for this authorization. Just approve it, and authentication is required using your fingerprint. If you have a fingerprint in your mobile phone or your face ID and anything that can verify your identity, even your pass ID. So once you do it, it will take few seconds in order to connect your wallet to the Tomarket. So wait till it's totally been connected with the Tomarket. Once it's been done, all you have to do is go back to the Tomarket, and once the airdrop is live, you can withdraw your coins through the withdrawal process and send it to your Bitget wallet. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.